Joby?
Joby is a mobile app specifically tailored to young people who need a job with flexible hours. With a single touch, you browse through a massive database of part-time job opportunities. Joby is free to download, and all you have to do is sign up and create your own profile. Then using those 4 criteria, you will be able to sort out the job posts until you find the most attractive job offering for you. Using a 5-star system, you will be able to rate the posts, thus helping other users make the right choice. And posts, on the other hand, you have to pay a small subscription fee based on the number of postings and the amount of time the job offerings will remain online. As you can see, Joby is simple, customized, and most importantly, reliable.